Hello there, this is a quick review of the Kasa Smart Switch. I've been using this for some time, so let me just show you how it works. So basically here I have the switch, this is the Kasa Smart Switch and a regular one. As you can see, when I press here, it stays in place, or here for example. For the Kasa, there's a spring that brings it back to its place. You see, the light's on right now, so I can manually press here, turn it on or turn it off. And I can also use an app. So basically I have an application. As long as I install the switch, I can use this application to connect the switch. And then I have the options here, different switches around the house. This one, for example, with bedroom, I just press here and I can turn it on. And I press again. I can see a big button if I want to. And I press here to turn it off, right? So pretty easy to use. It's very, very easy also to set up. You just install it here and then you use your cell phone to connect to it and follow the instructions and you're ready to go, okay? So that's my review. I've been using it for some time. I like it and I recommend it.